I'm going to show you how you can apply for a credit card online in Lloyds Bank. First off, you will have to go to the internet and then you want to search up Lloyds Bank like this, Lloyds Bank, and then credit card like this, right? So Lloyds Bank credit card. Now you just want to go ahead and tap on enter. Now on here, scroll down past the sponsors one, and then you want to go ahead and find to his website here, Lloyds Bank. Apply for a credit card online. Just tap on this. Now, once you tap on this, you will have to apply and you will have to check if you're eligible as well. So you will get the answer in about 5 minutes and see the credit cards you're eligible to apply for, and it won't affect your credit score. So just tap on this to check your eligibility. Just click accept all on the cookies consent here as well. And then you can see check now, tap on this. Now on here, just tap on this green button first to cookie consent. And then on here, you will have to fill out a couple of these, right? So first off, what's your title? I'm just going to say doctor. And my first name will be John. And then my middle name will be Alex. And then my last name will be Smith, right? So obviously fill this out with your actual first, middle, and last name. Don't fill out all these fake names. But when you were born, just enter it in. So for example, I was born on the 3rd of January. And I was born in the year 1990. And then my female, I'm a male. And then what's your marital status? Let's just say marriage/civil partnership. And then if you're a British citizen, obviously you'll have to say yes, because if you're not a British citizen, then you won't be able to apply for Lloyds Bank because they're obviously a UK bank, right? So just tap on this button to continue. Now on here, you will have to fill out more couple things like your main UK phone number, what's your email address as well, and you will need to confirm your email address, where you live as well, and then where your postcode is as well. After that, you will have to tap on continue. Now unfortunately, this is where I will have to stop because I don't have a main UK phone number. But from here, you just have to enter in your phone number, your email, your address as well. After that, you just have to follow the onboarding process. After that, Lloyds Bank will contact you to see if you're eligible or not and how you can apply for a credit card from there on.